Hey y'all, hey. Today we are reading Little Blue Truck's Halloween.
What are we reading?
Halloween.
Halloween.
Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too.
The end.
Not yet.
Ah.
We just began.
Welcome in here.
Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me.
Ballerina. I'm coming to party.
She coming to the party?
Yes. What that say up there?
I read it. Says quack, it's me, it's me.
I want to do it.
Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles everywhere he goes? Under the mask, who do you see?
It's a sheepy.
Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me.
I did it. I know it.
You knew it.
That's the girl right there. How good the oh, there were hair right there.
Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown?
It's
Kyra wanna do it. Under the mask, who do you see? Lift it up. Open it.
it's moose.
It's a moose.
Moose.
It's a cow.
That's the cow. Mama, I want to
Moo, says the cow.
Mama.
It's me. It's me.
Mama, I want to do it this time. Okay. No, I don't. Oh.
Pick them up.
Ow. Not to. Mama, I'm gonna do it. Okay.
What scraggly hair? What funny teeth? Who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see?
I want to do it first. I want to do
You
it.
can do the next one.
Bang.
Oink, says the pig. It's me. It's me.
I'm gonna do it this time.
We have.
Yeah,
Sit down right here. Sit down right here.
I'm gonna do it. Oh, thank you. Big. Uncle.
There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? I missed the camera. Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me. It's me.
How about Bill?
Pick them up.
Okay. How about Bill, brother? Mama,
As long as you clean up, whatever you build. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see?
we open it.
Nay, says the horse. It's me. It's me.
I know it's him.
You knew it was him.
Yes. I do this. Oh, see. Butter, how about Bill?
Croak, says Toad. There's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before?
What goes? I don't see no.
Off comes the sheet. It's you know who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo.
I want to do this.
The end. Little Blue Truck's Halloween.
Mommy,